Welcome to the 𝗀@𝗲 channel. In this video, you'll learn how to configure the 𝗀@𝗲 integration with n8n. n8n is a visual design platform that allows you to automate tasks by connecting various web applications. The 𝗀@𝗲 platform has its own application within the n8n service. Currently, we recommend using a local n8n installation. Let's configure the integration. You'll need to download and install Node.js from the official website. Verify successful installation by entering the following command in the command line. Install n8n with the following command. For the webhook server to work, it must be accessible from the outside. To do this, install ngrok or its equivalent. For more information on installing ngrok, watch our other video on the channel. Once ngrok or an equivalent is installed, run it with the command with port 5678. The response will contain the server's network address. Create a /in file in the project folder with the following parameter, where you should paste the resulting address after the equals. To use the 𝗀@𝗲 application, you need to obtain a registration token and instance it in your account. For more information, see the documentation. Run n8n with the following command in the prompt. Press O to open the n8n page in your browser. Login. Install the 𝗀@𝗲 application in n8n. Click the three dots at the bottom of the page. Select Settings. Click the Community Nodes menu item. Install the application with the following command. In this video, you learned how to configure 𝗀@𝗲 integration with n8n. Watch our other videos to learn how to use the application. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact our support team.